Hello everyone, welcome to VR Biomedicon. In Gymnosperms, the seeds are naked because the ovules are not enclosed by any ovary wall. In Gymnosperms, the sporophyte is main plant body. The sporophyte is divided into root, stem, and leaf. So generally in Gymnosperms, the roots are taproot system. The stems are branched, unbranched. So branched stem is best example Pinus and Sidereus. Unbranched is best example Cycas. In gymnosperms are well adapted to withstand extremes of the temperature, humidity and wind. In conifers, the needle-like leaves are reduced to the leaf surface area. Their thick cuticle and sunken stomata also help in to reduce the water loss. The roots in some genera have fungal association in the form of mycorrhiza. It is best example for the Pinus. In Pinus, the fungal filaments are closely associated with the root system of the Pinus. In some genera, the small specialized roots are called coralloid roots are associated with the nitrogen fixing cyanobacteria that is also called as blue-green algae. The best example Cycas. The male and female cones are present on a different plant body in Cycas. The strobili bearing microsporophylls and megasporangia are called as microsporangiate or male strobili. The microspores developed into the male gametophyte generation. This reduced gametophyte is also called as pollen grains. The cones bearing megasporophylls with ovules or megasporangia are called as megasporangiate or female strobili. The nucellus is protected by the envelopes and the composite structures is called an ovule. The ovules are borne on megasporophylls which may be clustered to form the female cones. The megaspore mother cells divided meiotically to form 4 megaspores. One of the megaspore enclosed within the megasporangium developed into the multicellular female gametophyte that bears 2 or more archegonia or female sex organ. The multicellular female gametophyte is also retained within the megasporangium. The pollen grains is released from the microsporangium. They are carried in air currents and comes in contact with the opening of the ovules borne on megasporophylls. The pollen tube is carrying the male gametes grows towards archegonia in the ovules and discharged their content near the mouth of the archegonia. The following fertilization, the zygote develops into the embryo and ovules into the seeds. The seeds are not covered. That's why in gymnosperms the seeds are naked seeds.